Hello collectors, welcome back to another Hot Wheels unboxing videos. We will unbox this. This is Honda Civic EF. It's a 70s versus 90s S series. EF refers to the 4th generation Civic. I got this on MRP from Instamart. Produced from 1908 to 1991. It's also sometimes referred to as the Evo Farker. This generation is known for its modern design, increased size, and improved suspension with double wishbone in the front and independent suspension in the rear. It has nice paint job. It's got tops and roof. It weighs a little bit heavy. The body is metal and the chassis is plastic. This is green. There are other colors like blue and red. I don't have those, but we'll try to get the blue one. Overall, it's a good addition to my collection. Please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.